Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. This video is about a Mark 7.5? No, Mark 7 Ford Fiesta, where we've had a customer come in that required Android Auto, Apple CarPlay wirelessly and a reverse camera. So we've changed the whole dashboard piece in the middle here from the button unit you normally see to a Pioneer touchscreen, and then put the factory LCD back in position at the top there. Now steering wheel controls all still work as you'd expect. So volume up brings the volume up, volume down does the volume down, and track up and down still works. I will show you the reverse camera first. So when I automatically just put it in reverse, the reverse image is going to come up automatically, and then when I put it back in park, it goes back to the home screen. I'm going to show you Apple CarPlay connected, so I'm going to go Bluetooth on my phone. I'm going to hit select, hit pair, hit allow, and then I'm going to go yes on the screen. And then I'm just going to wait for it to give me the question about whether I want to do CarPlay, which is right there. Hit connect. And then I'm going to wait a few seconds, and then we're going to get wireless Apple CarPlay on the screen, just like so. Now the customer's got access to Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze navigation, TomTom, music apps like Spotify will work. I use Tidal because I like the high-res sound quality they produce. Internet radio apps will work as well. So for example, if you've got Global Player, BBC Sounds, Radio Player, but this has got DAB, this car anyway, as standard, so we've hooked up the original DAB aerial. So if I push the home screen now, I can go to DAB, and then I can push the lines on the right, and then for example now I've got access to all the DAB channels this car originally could get through the original aerial, which is a lot because it's a roof aerial on this car, so you get a lot of radio stations on this unit, which is really good. But yeah, it's the DA77, so wireless Android Auto will also work, wireless CarPlay, DAB radio, and yeah, it's a very easy system to use, to be honest. You know, you can't really go wrong. With the right fascia, we've gone for a black fascia because we find the silver one's a little bit too in your face. You can get it in silver if you want to match the silver below, but we spoke with the customer and he wanted the black one. And then if you turn the lights on, the unit will dim down as well, just like you'd expect. Yeah, fits really good. This is Connor from John Kleis Car Audio. This is a DA77 inside a Fiesta. Cheers, see you later, goodbye.